In this lecture, we will solve few problems on Venn diagram. This is very important presentation if you are appearing in any competitive exam. I am considering the case of two variables. And let's say variables are A and B. This first circle represents A and the second circle represents B. This is the first reason, and you can clearly see in this reason we have A is present, but there is no B. So A is 1 and B is equal to 0. So simply I can write AB complement, because A is 1 and B is 0. And if we want to find out the expression for this reason, and for this A is 0 and B is 1, so A complement and B. Now we will move to this common reason, and for this we have A and B because both A and B are present. And if I talk about this whole reason in which there is no A and no B, then this is simply A complement and B complement because both A and B are 0. I'm not going in much depth because I hope you have already studied these things in your school. You have a intuition on Venn diagrams. We will directly solve few problems. The first problem you can see, and we have to minimize the swap expression for the shaded region. So let's try to find out the minimized swap expression. For this region we have already seen it is A complement B complement, A complement and B complement. This region is A and B complement, and this common region is A and B. We can easily minimize this by using Boolean algebra. I will take B complement common from first two terms, so I have A complement or A and B complement or A and B. A complement or A is 1 and B complement is B complement or AB. Now I will use distributive law and I will have B complement or A and B complement or B. B complement or B is 1. So finally I'm having A or B complement, and this is our answer. Very simple. In the next problem we again have to find out the swap expression for the shaded region. Let's say function is g and it is equal to, this region is simply A complement and B complement. I'm just using the expressions that we have evaluated. So A complement and B complement from the outer region. This region will give us A and B complement. This common region will give us A and B, and this region will give us A complement and B. Very simple. Let's minimize this. I will take B complement common from first two terms and B common from the last two terms. So I will have A complement or A and B complement. From this I am having A or A complement and B. So it's very simple. A complement or A is 1 and B complement is B complement. A or A complement is 1, so I'm having B, and finally G is equal to 1. This is a very simple problem. There is no need to solve it like this. Whenever there is a question in which we have to consider everything, the answer is going to be 1. Now I will solve the last problem, and in this we have three variables. Again we have to find out minimal swap form for the shaded region. In this case we have three variables. I think it will be good if you solve this problem. I will just give the options. The first option is A and B, or B and C, or C and A, E complement. Option B is A B C complement, or A complement B C, or A B complement C, E complement. C option is A B C or A complement, B complement, C complement, E complement, and the last option is C complement, B complement, A complement, A, B complement, C complement, or E complement. So these are the options. You have to find out minimal soft form for the shaded region. Once you have your answer, post it in the comment section. So this is all for this presentation. It is a very simple topic but very important. Sometimes you may face problem from this topic in your exam like GATE. So it is good to practice it right now. And if you have any doubt regarding any part of this presentation, you may ask in the comment section. So this is all. See you in the next one.